Avoca here in South Yarra by Prime Edition, a collaboration between Henny, Pandolfini Architecture and Miles Baldwin Landscape Architects. We're here today at Avoca, sitting on the rooftop to provide you a comprehensive update on where we're at with construction. The whole floor residences provide near on 314 square metres of internal living space, with flexible layouts providing you the option of 3 to 4 bedrooms, multiple living areas and very secure basement garaging. The detail and quality is evident throughout. Each apartment is finished to the highest international standards. The popularity of Avoca has been evident, with 2 of the 5 residences successfully selling during the first stage of construction. Given the great progress of construction thus far, this is your final opportunity to put your own stamp on each individual Avoca residence. Hopefully that provides a great insight to what's being created here, and hopefully form part of your lifestyle moving forward. For any further information, if you'd like to inquire, please feel free to reach out to me directly, because I'll be delighted to assist.